In this video, I'm going to show you how to send the Word document through Gmail, right? So ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. I'm currently here in my Gmail, right? So if for any reasons you love to, let's say, to send a Word document to a worker, a friend, a family, right? You can basically do this, right? So this video is basically for educational purpose only. So what we're going to do right now, just click on this compose, right? Right now, you can see who you want to send the message to, right? So this is what you need to know. Type in the person's email, then you type in the subject, right? Then you're going to click on this attach file, right? Wait for it to load up. Head over to your document. I can just send this. Yeah, let me just use this for example, right? Okay, let me see. Yeah, this one. I'll click on the open. So you're gonna wait for it to load up, right? This, I think, 8 kilobyte or so. So yeah, you can see this Word document is currently waiting for me, right? So just enter the recipient, enter the subject, right? Then click on the send. It's gonna send, right? So this is basically how you can send a Word document through Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please share it as below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you on the very next video.